Well, we partner now with the FT to bring you Lex on Bloomberg. You get a sneak peek at the Financial Times flagship column a day early. Kevin Allison joins us now from London with more. So, Kevin, profits down 70% at Ericsson. What do the results tell us about the telecom sector in general, not just about Ericsson?
Well, investors who are looking for some signs of a turnaround in the mobile infrastructure market, that's the base stations and radios that power cell phone networks, are bound to be disappointed by the results from Ericsson today. As you said, profits down 70% on weak sales. It shouldn't be entirely unsurprising because these infrastructure companies are what people call late cycle businesses. The time frame for investing in mobile networks is very long, so they're among the last things to start to show evidence of heading into a downturn, and they're also late coming out on the rebound. So while Ericsson's performance is bound to have disappointed somewhat, I don't think anyone should necessarily be too surprised.
So, Kevin, I mean, when the recovery does come, who's going to be in the best shape in the group to profit from it?
Well, Ericsson actually doesn't look to be in too bad of a position. Its incoming CEO, Hans Vestberg, who takes over in January, has now been given some pretty easy comparables to beat during his first year as chief executive. Ericsson had actually been performing quite well during the downturn up until this point. Its shares were up about 40% this year. That said, the most interesting company of all the network suppliers in the downturn, it's not Nokia Siemens Networks, which is Ericsson's other big competitor, which has had a dismal performance. It's a Chinese company called THAW, which offers much lower-priced network equipment. Now, typically, they haven't been competing with Ericsson too much, but in recent years, they've really been doing well at the kind of top end of cutting-edge network technology. The unfortunate thing for investors is that Huawei is not a listed company. It's private, so Ericsson may actually be the best bet for public investors heading into the recovery in mobile infrastructure.
Kevin, thanks so much. Kevin Allison from the FT in London.